Seraphina. Hey girl, hey girl. Well, I took Seraphina in for blood work today. It's been a month since she's been off the antiviral medication. And she had no fluid, which is great. But they mentioned she had high globulin and liver. They've gone up higher, which is concerning. Didn't expect this. They said it could be a serious problem. So they want to recheck in 2 weeks. And they probably want to also look at her physically and see if there's any fluid, because there's no fluid. So, I mean, if there was fluid, you would think a relapse. Still could be. I don't know what's going on with her. I mean, her poops are perfect. Her appetite is good. Her attitude is really good. She's playful, loving, everything. I don't see any problems other than her blood work, which is really heartbreaking right now, because me and her come a long way, and I would hate to have there be something seriously wrong with her as far as like a bone cancer. Who knows, maybe this is why she was dumped. I don't know. But for her to get FIP, which she clearly had, this is really very upsetting. So we'll recheck in 2 weeks.